Nation, Stonebwoy and a home common Amazebro, and ended that all that bay full of Beam Nation. The soldiers of Beam, and the Stonebwoy, the overlord of Beam Nation, plus the Empress, Queen Dr. Louisa, and then I want you now to share with Alora Beach Resort.
The
interesting thing in there, it was an all VIP listening affair. Abra Stonebwoy did a sixth studio album, or the Beno. Of a friend Ghana industry players, the one bra, no one bete, no man and saying, no money authentic, woman as 20. Of course, we had industry guys to the Bulldog, Robert, Kwame Dazi, DJ Ashman, Miss Master Gazi, and a lot of people. What quite there were record support to Stonebwoy and celebrities I will pay one the baby D Black, Nanama Mark Brown, episode, Nadia Buhari, Efia Gengam, na album no what saying who the album no mu ye down. I say, now as I now America said, I'm sure that the album is out. The more exciting moment in the point there, what's one of the single tracker or album that are out already? JJJ what drop in. You could feel the vibes in the air there and Manfaje album now too. So yesterday, it was all fun at the up and running album listening. Oye Alora Beach Resort. Myself, I was there with my crew, guys, Nazi, chilly Nazi, it's Nazi. The one exciting thing in the Master Guys in a Stonebwoy freestyle or Koye rough. Into brothers and brothers, as at now, the album they were out, one corner stream to the fullest. Beam Nation. On a chair, beams the Bibiara woman, corporate kakra, and tan pick kakra, and I chair class kakra, and the boo. And then I was so excited, and I share in Katesia Bow Bohona war body, Nation Brents and also no war dressing. My rhyme bia. Yes, each other the sister album of Stonebwoy and Oye available on all the streaming platforms. Go and stream. Now let me know your favorite song on the album. But for now, when I share video in a pedicure full version ko YouTube Parkour Rich Studios. Next share na mobiso na sankebi. Parkour to the rich. Beam Nation up and running. Yes, sorry, I did Zimrinka. Beam. This album can never be beans. This advert has been approved by FDA.
We enjoyed it, and for the Fifth Dimension album, with all the great songs that were produced on that album, we don't expect anything lesser. And so as he hits the sixth floor on the Up and Running album, it means something great to be expected. We are expecting to to hear Psalm 23 and the song with Duncan Mighty because it's one of my favorites on the country. And for Stonebwoy, for me, I wish him all the very best, especially on the Up and Running album. For someone who's up and running, no laziness, no downing. Congratulations to him in advance. Thank you.
Much love for Stonebwoy and his scraps. I mean, over the years, he's shown us that he is that guy. I mean, we don't even need a title album or the title of the album to know this guy has been up and running all this while. So I'm here for the show. I do want to be surprised. Some of us have already got our favorite songs even before we listen to it. But yeah, this is it, man. Great music.
Certainly, this promised to be an album that has something for everyone. For the lovers, certainly we have something for the sufferers. We get through with them. So we're looking forward to a great night, safe album, safe studio album. So it certainly should be on everyone's playlist. Stonebwoy is an artist of international repute, so we expect nothing but exclusive requests.
Glad to be here. Big up everyone. Let's go, Stonebwoy. Are we ready? Yeah!
Tonight we're expecting nothing but spectacular music, and also definitely Stonebwoy, as and always, consistently make sure that he delivers. So we are looking forward to what this up and running album entails, what songs are on it, and all of that. It's going to be super exciting, and that's why we are all here, just to see. We've been anticipating for so long, so definitely we are ready to see what he has to offer. And from afar, we can judge that it's a masterpiece. What I'm intrigued about the more is the fact that it's an album that has almost every genre on it. The versatility on the album is top notch. I'm here to listen to the behind the scenes stories that came about for the title of the album, for each song. I want to know the stories behind it, why we have Up and Running today. Kudos to the team. The consistency is always on top. He's one artist that we always pride ourselves with, and we know that he will never disappoint. So you're waiting for the entire rollout tonight.
So I'm only here to support. Body is one of my favorite songs right now. I really like this video as well. I can't wait to hear what he has for us in this body of work. We're all here to support Mr. Agazi, the whole Black Nation is here as well. So love to Stonebwoy, the whole Big Nation team. Love always.
And we all know what he has done for us. He's a colleague, he's a brother, he's a legend. So I'm here to celebrate a brother. Up and running.
Thank you very much. You heard that from episode, ladies and gentlemen. We want to hear from Wow Cassie. Yes, the Madman Gang is in the building. And let's get to know what he has to say about Up and Running. Wow, talk to us tonight.
Oh, big night. Yeah, we Up and Running. Big ups to Stonebwoy, he's keeping the flame, the fire flame, the fighters here. We are here to support. It's a good. JJJ is my favorite so far, so I'm here to listen to the other ones on it. But Up and Running, we here, we up and we running. Big ups to Stonebwoy.
National level.
Bang, bang. Don't do like donkey, we just playing on my mind. Me, I know be your neighbor. Take your level and stay. Don't do like donkey. Bang, bang, hey. I will be not go see. Temper with the Rasta man, please. What I just stand for like a white man. I'm a guy who can't tell you. I'm a country. Now, they never want to understand me now. Don't kill me, just one don't be just not now. They never follow me like the game like a compass. Big time pass and this glass. Baby, you know my mind. Just because you won't believe that time is up. Cause you got to learn. You don't know the African style. That better know. I will make your lips see me around. I got the sexy boys of all around. Let's see the game was so right in the core. I love them more. More. I love them more. Love them more. Freestyle. Freestyle, we up and we running, up till the morning, ain't no dolly. Some boy there and I do some ragga in. Fans them running right side, well I just say up and running, the fire keep burning, up and running, I'm an assault, tell them say any brain is I'm a one warrior, that's why I love God, I respect you. What I know, I ran the big nation. Say big nation. Say big nation. I'm back light. You know, say me say, cut down them flag in the young and let me have bacteria. And them Ebola. It's happening, it's fucked up and it's something sweet. Ebola. So we know in and something and give up and I'm in So before, without much ado, what's the vibe? Let's go. We started from top. Let's go straight into the album and then we come back. And OG, what you saying?
We're ready. Up and running.
Yeah, right here. Big up all the superstars in the space right now. I gotta acknowledge you. Big up my G, Marshmallow. Big up my G. The military of Ghana is here. The Air Force is represented nicely. Big up in the self. Somebody say bloom. Man, we say more half. Said it. What do you want me telling them? Up to them.
Up and running.
Yes, them to know. Yeah, we live on YouTube, so you don't know. I'll give some little shouts to them out there. Up to them. Yes, them to know one thing for sure. Up in the sky with them. A big nation to the world and beyond.
get it loose.